Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how I created this painting using the air swipe method. I call it an air swipe because it's very similar to a Dutch pour where you put down a base coat, layer your colors in a line, and then use the hair dryer to swipe the white over top of your colors and the base coat. Really cool results, lots of cells. It's a beautiful technique. I hope you enjoy. Stay to the very end for the close-ups of the wet results and the dry results. And in the description box below, you will find the list of the colors that I've used and then very detailed hints and tips for the technique. Thank you very much. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and enjoy. So here's the overhead view. I think this turned out really cool. I'm really happy with it. I love that white negative space in the center. And I got some really great lacing and cells in here, so I'll take you in for close up. Lots and lots and lots of shimmer on this. Should be beautiful when it dries. I could torch that and bring up some more cells, but I kind of like, no, not kind of, I definitely like the way that it's a shadow underneath that white there. Adds a completely different kind of texture to the colors. That dark green showed up in a couple of areas, and definitely some of the light green. That burgundy always stands out. There's some of that yellow green, beautiful. But there are 3 metallics in here. And they always give great color, great shimmer. Apologize for the glare. That section's really cool. Look at that. Love it. That copper. Whew, man, look at that copper. Anybody, this would be great in anybody's home that has neutral colors. Definitely fall, autumn inspired, but those neutral colors are great. And that white running through the center makes me very happy. I think it's super cool. I hope you enjoyed as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Thanks and have a great night. So instead of just showing you a photo of the dry results like I normally do, I really wanted to bring this one outside so we could see the amazing details in it and the sparkle. It's so beautiful. I'm really, really super happy with this piece. And yeah, so I'll take you in, show you a close-up of these results. I think in the sunshine we should be able to get some good, a good look at the details here. That so many really great lacing and cells that came through here. Look at that section, it's beautiful. Look at that right there, love it. Some big boulder cells that came through. That green always worries me. I don't know why, because it creates such a great result with the other colors. Just have to start trusting it, I suppose. But yeah, this piece turned out amazing. I decided I'm going to call it Autumn Frost because it looks like it's got all the colors of the autumn leaves, maybe a little bit of frost in a puddle or something. I also kind of see like a desert mountain, and this is like the snow cap on a mountain ridge, and then the colors of the desert coming down the mountain there. But I like Autumn Frost as a name for it better. But the other reason I came out into the garden today was to show you, I know a lot of people are experiencing a lot of cold winter weather right now, so I thought I'd give you a little look at our ocean view. We live on a mountain in Costa Rica. Our place is called Tree of Life Cabinas, so if you ever want to come down and experience life in the jungle, or come down and paint with me, you can look us up on the internet for Tree of Life Cabinas. But I thought I'd share a little bit of warmth with all of you. So anyway, thanks again, and I hope you all go out and paint and do something creative today, and come back and see us sometime.